Hello everyone, I am Chamak Mohanto, advertising and tracking expert. In this video, I will show you step by step how to share access in Google Tag Manager. First, open your Chrome browser. Go to search bar at the top. Type Google Tag Manager and press enter. Now click on the first link from the search result. After click, you will see your Google Tag Manager accounts. Click on the accounts where you want to share access. On the top menu, click on Admin. Here you will see two columns, Account and Container. First, I will explain how to share account access step by step. In the Account column, click on User Engagement. Click on the plus button at the top right. Then select Add User. Now type your Gmail address of the person you want to share access with. If you want to give full control, choose Administer. And if you only want to give editing or viewing rights, choose Editor or Viewer Access. Finally, click Invite. The person will get an email and can access your GTM account. That's it. This is how can easily share account access in Google Tag Manager. Now I will show you how to share container access. Now in the container column, click on User Engagement. Click the plus button and select User. Type the same Gmail address here. That's it. Now the person has both account access and container access in Google Tag Manager. In this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.